zombie, I'd never eat your brain. I just want your heart, yeah, I want your heart. I just want your heart, 'cause I want you. Hi, this is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the delightful zombie love song by Stephanie Mabey called If I Were a Zombie. Starting out with the chords, I'm going to play an E minor. Going to let the first finger hang, middle finger goes on the 5th string 2nd fret, ring finger goes on the 4th string 2nd fret, and you're going to play all 6 strings in a very aggressive yet shambling fashion. Next chord is an A minor, 1st finger 2nd string 1st fret, middle finger 4th string 2nd fret, ring finger 3rd string 2nd fret. You're going to play 5 strings. The next chord's a B, and we're going to have to play the bar chord B. You just can't get a good post-apocalyptic sound with a B7. It's too happy. So we're going to take our 1st finger all the way across the 2nd fret and push down the 5th string on the 2nd fret. Then we're going to skip our middle finger. I'm going to use our ring finger to play the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string all on the 4th fret. And you're going to play those 4 middle strings. Now, one of the reasons you have to play it that way is the next chord is a C, and all we're going to do is slide this up 1 fret to play the C chord and play the same strings and the same fingers. So even though the tempo is a nice stately zombie shamble, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, we're going to keep time on 16ths. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. The first part of the chord, we're going to strum the first 2 downs because we're going to go 1 and 1 E and then we're going to 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a down, 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 down. On the different sections, try to make some contrast with your strumming. All of your friends, they'd try to kill us. You might stop there, you might just strum lighter instead of doing the really hard rhythm. All of your friends, they'd try to kill us, but only because they were jealous. And then really kick back into it on the chorus. On the bridge section toward the end, you might even try just sustaining the chords. And I'd try not to bite and infect you because I'd respect you too much. You might try arpeggiating the chords, kind of playing one note at a time. Oh, and our happiest days would be spent picking off all of your friends, and they'd see a love this deep won't stay buried. Obviously, she sings this a lot better than I do, but now you know the basics of it, and you can take it and do it your own way. This is a great, fun song, and if you haven't heard the original yet, there's a link just below this video, along with links to some other songs that you might like to learn. Down below that, there's a comment section. If you don't understand something, it's probably my fault. Please ask questions. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play If I Were a Zombie by Stephanie Mabey. Thank you for watching. I just want your heart, yeah, I want your heart. I just want your heart, 'cause